Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by importing your audio file and creating a composition that fits the clip. Make sure the comp duration exceeds the audio length. Next, layer the audio onto the timeline and solo it so you hear only that track. Once done, open the Effects and Presets panel and search for Pitch Shifter. If you plan detailed control, also install and enable sound keys or a third-party pitch plugin. Do this now so you can apply processing without setup interruptions. You apply the pitch shifter effect directly to the audio layer and immediately set a baseline. Change semitones for broad pitch moves and cents for micro adjustments. Then, play the range you care about while toggling mix or wet/dry to hear blending. This prevents artifacts from sounding too processed. If you need formant preservation, enable the plugin's formant or preserve vocal character option. This keeps timbre natural. Once adjusted, keyframe semitones, or cents, to create real-time pitch shifts over time. You now finalize by previewing at full resolution and rendering a short section to confirm quality. Make final tweaks, normalize levels, add fades to remove clicks, and use EQ to restore body loss during pitching. If you encounter metallic artifacts or phasing, increase analysis size or switch to a high-quality algorithm. Otherwise, bounce to audio host and process in a dedicated audio editor. Finally, export through Media Encoder with chosen bitrate and verify the final file in a player before finishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.